We're just spending a couple minutes on the beach. There's a hurricane on the way. Cedar's first trip to the beach.
There's baby Cedar.
Say hello, Cedar. Hi, everyone. Let me show you what the storm's doing. So we're near Raleigh. We're kind of on the outskirts of the storm damage, but our power's been going out, flickering, basically all afternoon. Hi everyone. Ben here with Kind Heart Homestead. I'm gonna do a walk around. It's the day after the hurricane slammed North Carolina. All right, let's see what we can find. All right, all the water seems to have dissipated. No standing water. Our property has pretty good drainage, so thankfully no water went into the crawl space. Our chickens seem to be doing pretty good. You can see here in the driveway as I walk by, the one tree that we have, this mature pecan tree, tons of leaves and sticks down on the ground. But you know, any of that's pretty easily rakeable. My main concern is the garden. You know, we don't have any trees overhanging the house. We got those all removed when we bought the property over 3 years ago. So, oh geez, check this out. See that? You recall from my okra video that our plants surpassed 10 feet. And over the last week or so, we started having a couple of the tallest ones, maybe 14 feet tall, just fall over because of the low, or the shallow roots, rather. All right, let me get in here. I use this fishing line to try to keep the deer out. It doesn't really work well. Yeah, look at this. This okra picked itself. That's weird. I'm cautiously stepping over the pepper plants. Look, there's just peppers all over the ground. I'm gonna put those in my pocket for later. Our peppers seem to have survived. A few of them just got knocked off. But these okra plants, oh, here's Angie's sunflower. It was dead anyway, but fell over. Yep, most of our okra are done. Unfortunately, these fell on our melon plants. I can see some cantaloupes down under there. I'm gonna have to go dig those out. But I'm gonna have to come out here with some sort of saw, cut these above the landscape fabric, get them out of here. And while I'm doing that, looks like I'll be able to get another harvest. Probably 2 gallons of okra here. Oh, man. I mean, there's still a lot to harvest. We have a full sponge gourd harvest. That's what this thing was that I found. This is a pretty immature one, but a lot of them are maybe as big as my arm, a couple feet long. We'll show you those later. You can probably see a few of them up on the fence. I just kind of let that plant go crazy growing on the fence. It's even grown up into the myrtle over there. But yeah, our okra, it was getting too hard to manage anyway with the height. The tallest ones fell, and those were the problematic ones, so maybe the smaller ones that were easier to reach are the ones that survived, and that'll be helpful. Maybe we'll keep getting some food until the winter freeze. All right, well, that's it for today's video. Why don't you guys get involved in the comment section if you had any crazy storm stories. Maybe farther north or farther west you guys weren't really impacted by this, but the southeastern states really got slammed, and you know, that's why we live here, is to get a good growing season out of it. So we might just have to think about things differently in the future if these storms continue to be this devastating. All right, see you next time.